see what is the MVC. So the MVC model view controller, that is MVC, is a well-known design pattern in the web development field, and it is a way to organize our code to specify that a program or specification that could of the data model representation information and control information. The MVC patterns needs all of these components to be separated as the different objects in it. So we will so the MVC architecture in Java along with its advantages and disadvantages. For example, to understand the implementation of the Java, so what is the MVC architecture in the Java init? What is the MVC architecture? So the model of the design based on the MVC architecture follows the MVC design pattern. So the application logic is separated from the user interface while designing the software using the model design. So the MVC architecture consists of the three layers in it. The first one is the model layer. So the model layer represents the business layer of the application, and it is an important to carry the data that can also contain the logic to update controller if the data is changed in it. So next is the view layer. So it represents the presentation layer of the application, and it is used to visualize the data that model contains. Then third layer is the controller layer. So it works on the both the model and the view, and it is used to manage the flow of the application, that is the data flow in the model object and the update the view whenever data is changed in it. So in the Java programming, the model contains the simple Java classes, and the view used to daily data used to display the data, and the controller contains the servlets. Due to this separation, the user requests are processed. So the client sends a request to the controller on the server side for a page. Then the controller then calls the model, and it gathers the request data. Then the controller transfers the data retrieved to the view layer. So now this result is sent back to the browser or to the client by the view. So this is all about the MVC in Java. Thank you.